Welcome to Fusion 360. Today is day 3 and we're going to cover 2 additional commands which are very important whenever you deal with this sketching. Okay, so that are actually known as the circular pattern and the rectangular pattern. So before going towards them, let me just draw a circle like this, add a small circle to pattern it. And now I will click on the circular pattern. Here I will select the object that you want to pattern and select the center point, which is this one. I want a 360 pattern, right? You can assign certain angle up to 180, 270 and somehow. And I want to make a pattern of 12 entities, right? See? This is amazing. And if you go for the rectangular pattern, so for that I must need a rectangular object like this, and I wanna add a small circle like this and click a rectangular pattern, select the object and select the direction, and make sure you have to take in this direction. Spacing quantity is 5 and check this is -20. You can increase them, -30, right? And increase the quantity 6, right? And direction type, it is in one direction. You can keep it symmetrical in case of the symmetrical object, and here see, this would be symmetrical, but this time I just wanted to be having only on one side, quantity 3, and if I choose this side, you will probably see that you can add quantity 5 and distance 12. Let me just decrease the distance in this direction as well, decrease the quantity 4, increase the distance 20, and let's boom, finish the sketch. Right? So this is how you can deal with the rectangular and circular pattern. See you in next video. Best of luck and just subscribe to the channel. Thank you.